Okay, we're still on page 156, and we're doing factor pairs. Let's read. Alberto is helping his mom make sea pie buns. He needs to arrange 18 buns in equal sizes in rows on a tray. What are all the different ways Alberto can arrange the buns? Show your work. Okay, so he only has 18. Okay. So I'm going to start with my rainbow, and it's always 1 and itself. Then I rainbow that over. So that's, every time I link them together with a rainbow, that's a factor pair. So let's do number 2. How many times will 2 go into 18? Six times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 12 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. 9. So I say 2 and 9 are a factor pair. Now I can only do the numbers in between. So between 2 and 9. So let's do 3. How many times will 3 go into 18? 6. 3 times 6. And I only have available 4 and 5. Okay, so does 4 times 5 equal 18? No. Does 4 go into 18?
No.
Does 5 go into 18?
No.
Those are done. So the factor pairs could be 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. So when he makes the cookie sheet, he can only do those 3 models. Let's go to number 7. What are the factors of the number 27? So draw 27. We're ready to rainbow. 1 and itself. 27 is a big number, so make sure you make a long rainbow. What's next? 2. How many times will 2 go into 27? It doesn't, because 7's not an even number. It would have to be 24, 26, 28, 30. 27's an odd number, so we can already tell 2's out. Just cross it out. What about 3? How many times will 3 go into 27? 9. So I put a 9 over here, rainbow them together, and I go to the next number. Numbers between 4 and 9. So let's do 4. How many times will 4 go into 27?
7.
Let's do multiples of 4 and see how it goes. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 24, 28, 32. It doesn't. There's no 27. So 4 is out. What about 5? Does 5 go into 27?
No.
Does 6 go into 27? 6, 12, 18, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. No, we went past 27. Does 7 go into 27?
Yes.
7, 14, 21, 28. It does not. Does 8? No. 8, 16, 24. We already did 9 and 3. So see, we can only pick the numbers in between the rainbow, between 3 and 9. And 9 we already have claimed with the hook, when we hooked it together with the rainbow. Okay? So the factor pairs of 27 can only be 1 times 27 and what?
3 times 9.
3 times 9. That's all we have available. Let's do number 8. Matina arranges 12 apps in rows on her tablet screen. She puts the same number of apps in each row. Which list shows all of the possible numbers of the app that Matina can put in each row? So you start with 12. You get ready to rainbow. 1 times itself. And I can only pick numbers in between 1 and 12 because when I did the rainbow, I locked out the other numbers. Let's do number 2. How many times will 2 go into 12, Emma? So I put a 2 and a 6 and I hook them together with a rainbow. So I can only do the numbers in between. So 3, 4, and 5 are the only ones I have left to try. How many times will 3 go into 12? So I rainbow those together and I have to cross out the 5 because it's off the table now. So I'm done. I closed it in, it's finished. So the pairs could only be 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. That's it. Let's go find one of those answers. I can rainbow this one. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. It matches my rainbow exactly. I'm going to pick that.